The Ultimate Life Fitness Treadmill is the Platinum Club Series. The Platinum Series award-winning design is the preferred choice of exclusive workout facilities around the globe. It features the same enhanced in-workout entertainment and interactive programming features as the Health Club version and will take your home fitness experience to a new level. The most important feature of a treadmill is the running surface. The Platinum Club Series has an extra-wide, safe running surface that is 5 feet long and 22 inches wide, meaning it is just as safe for running as it is walking. And it's powered by the MagnaDrive 4.0 horsepower motor, the largest in its class. Life Fitness's patented FlexDeck shock absorption technology reduces stress on your joints by up to 30%, decreasing the chance for injury and keeping you feeling great. And the custom-engineered Life Springs maintain the soft, smooth surface for the life of the equipment. Keeping workouts fresh and engaging is the biggest challenge for anyone investing in fitness equipment for the home. You need a machine that can keep you motivated for the life of the equipment. And with Life Fitness's durability, that is a lot of years. To answer this challenge, Life Fitness has created a line of award-winning consoles called the Discover Series. With your Platinum Club treadmill, you can choose between the 19-inch or the 10-inch Discover tablet consoles or the LED Achieve console. The new Discover consoles feature swipe touch screen technology and personalization options that put the world at your fingertips. Integrate your Android or Apple devices with the internet-enabled systems to access your personal content, preset workouts, and equipment settings. Use one of the interactive Lifescape courses that simulate real-world destinations and adjust your machine settings along with the terrain, providing a realistic outdoor workout experience. You can read the latest ebooks on the Life Fitness Reader and challenge yourself with over 30 pre-programmed workouts with quick button access. But even the most advanced treadmill keeps it simple with the Go System Quick Start button. Simply touch one button and the treadmill starts immediately, remembering your favorite walk, jog, and run speed. All in all, this is the most comprehensive machine Life Fitness has ever built. Life Fitness Platinum Experience.